Hey, it's Brent, and in this video I want to talk about another shit test that actually happened to me when I was in a bar talking to this girl. I'm kind of like right beside her at the bar, and the shit test is she's going to tell me she's going to introduce me to her friend because I'm maybe not her type. So the conversation goes like this: I'm going to introduce you to my friend. I go, why is that? She goes, well, because she's really cool and she's really looking for someone to, a nice guy to date and so on. And I go, look, hold on, let me stop you right there. I think you've got the wrong idea about me, okay? I am not Mr. Right. I'm Mr. Right Now. So the only thing I'm capable of is a physical relationship. And the difference between me and everyone else is I'm just honest about it. So I just tell the truth, and that's basically it. So I'm fun guy. I'm the guy that you hang out with while you're looking for your boyfriend or husband. Am I clear? Okay, now, at that moment, I noticed that she has a giant wedding ring on. And she says to me, right after I said that, she said very quickly, "Are you Mr. Right Now for married women?" Boom. See what I did there? Try that. Anyway, listen, I hope that helps. And if you want more witty comebacks and more ways to overcome women's shit tests, go to nomoreshittests.com. Talk to you later.